In lesson 15, you're going to make comic strips. We're going to start with the basic one with 3 cells. So start with table, insert a table. We're going to do 3 by 1. Go ahead and stretch this out. And we're going to make our mini comic in here. We're going to make your line on the borders a little larger. You can actually make that color dark too if it's already if it's light. And if you go to insert, you can insert images that way, or you can go to tools, research, and I'm going to find a character here that I can insert. Okay, so I'm going to put him there, and you're probably going to have to make it a little smaller. And let me put this one here. So you can obviously use whatever you want in your comic here. And okay, this one. Okay. So after you select the images, go to Insert, find Shapes, and you are going to insert little talking bubbles. You can do different kinds here. Again, you can make the lines any color you want. You can add thickness to them. And also, if you wanted to change them to have dots around them, you can make a lot of different things here. So I'm just going to move him back to normal, and you can insert text. Okay, so go ahead and play around making comics and call outs for your comics, and you can also just try to play around and see if you can change the colors and make them a little more interesting. And the backgrounds of your cells here, you can you can also try and see if you like them to have a different color in the background, and you can have a lot of fun with these. So your assignment is going to be to make comic strips all week, and I would like for you to also practice doing it where you have more than 3 cells here. So we'll do table, for example, we'll do 6, and I want you can also just make blank ones. So if you're ever going to do maybe a presentation piece for one of your classes and you wanted to do it in a comic strip form, you could totally make your own and print it and make an interesting presentation piece that way. So you can also when you put your call outs in these ones here, I'll show you. Play around with it. When you look at a comic, they don't always necessarily fit exactly within each cell here. They can be in between and kind of have different positions too. So just play around and see how you can make them interesting. And let's see. And flip them around if you want to go different directions. Just do different things to make them look exciting. So, okay, have fun with your assignment this week.